In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur background in Zoom meeting. This is a quick and useful Zoom setting that can help make your meetings look cleaner and more professional, especially if you don't want other people to see what's behind you. The blur effect keeps the focus on your face while softly hiding your background. And the good news is that it only takes a moment to turn on. To get started, open your Zoom account, make sure you're signed in and on the main Zoom screen before moving to the next step. If you're preparing for a meeting in advance, this is a great setting to enable ahead of time so you don't have to adjust it once your call begins. Once Zoom is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click your profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, select Settings. A separate settings window will appear, and this is where you can customize how Zoom looks and behaves during your meetings. On the left side of the settings window, find and click Video and Effects. This section controls your camera-related appearance settings, including visual enhancements and background options. After that, click the Virtual Backgrounds tab. In this area, you'll see different background choices available in Zoom. Look for the blur option and click it. As soon as you select it, Zoom will apply a soft blur to your background. This means your surroundings will become less visible while you remain clear on screen. It's a simple way to create a more polished appearance without needing to upload a custom image or tidy up your entire room. And that's it. Your Zoom background is now blurred. If you want to, you can always come back to the same settings area later to switch the blur off or choose a different virtual background instead. It's also a good idea to check your camera preview after enabling the effect, just to make sure everything looks the way you want before joining an important meeting. This setting works especially well in everyday work calls, online classes, or any situation where you want a little more privacy. With just a few clicks, you can make your video setup look much more focused and distraction-free. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to blur your background in a Zoom meeting.